Do a little frog kicking, cow tipping. How about a little skinny dipping, bass fishing? Take it easy on the shine, stay away from other boys' women. That's one damn good way for.
Alright, what's up, guys? Alright, you know how they put on nerf guns? Please do not modify blaster or darts. I don't listen. Because when this starts to, my creative mind starts to go, then I get to have fun. So basically what I have here is your basic average nerf strike or end strike elite. It holds 6 rounds. Sorry about that. There's a button right here that releases the chamber. And if anybody does not know how to hold a gun, it's very simple. You keep your finger off of the trigger, like so. You keep the gun pointing to the ground. Anyways, just ignore that. This is my sister, don't worry. So basically, I have a scope that does not belong to a nerf blaster at all. Well, two. I have 2 of them. This one I like this one, but it sort of fits, and if you see down the middle right here, there is a cross. And I made this. It's a homemade silencer out of a blow dart. So basically, obviously, y'all already know how the fucking thing goes on. I think it looks pretty badass, and the scope goes like this, and then I'll show you what the other scope looks like. The other scope does not clip on like it's supposed to, because like I said before, it doesn't belong to this nerf gun. Yeah, so basically, it doesn't work out very well, so I just used this one. Well, make sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends, because I'm trying to get up to 100K.